Hey there, amazing craft artists. Welcome back to my channel. My name is I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is a craft artist. I'm so excited to do this video because I like to decorate my room for every season now. So I thought to myself, it's fall. Fall's almost over. And I got these beautiful leaves outside of my apartment. I love these. So beautiful. The ones on the bottom are real. The one on top is fake. Obviously, the glitter one is fake, but I thought it'd be fun to have a decor. You can glue this down or tape it down. Do whatever you want. It is so beautiful. I love how beautiful it looks. I love the changing of the leaves. That's what I love about fall, and the beautiful mochas. And I love all the pumpkin spice, everything. And it's a big mason jar with November on it. I bought the mason jar at Walmart, and also I bought the November at Michael's. And this is a heart that I got from Dollar Tree last year. Really pretty. It makes this really cool. Just make it pop. The colors pop even more with that beautiful heart. Look at that. That'd be a good thing to just to glue down and put on the wall, and it's so wonderful. You can add whatever you want to this to make it more better. Glitter, paint it or not paint it, or you can use markers or whatever you want to do to make it wonderful. I love it so far. So thank you so much for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let's get on to the next thing we're going to show you for another fall decor. All of the leaves, I just changed them right here. These are real leaves, you guys. I got off the trees a couple days ago. It was raining outside. I said, you know, I'll get some real leaves. It looks so pretty. You can always cut the stems down and make it really pretty. I love how it looks. It makes the color pop. And there's November, and I decided to put more hearts on it. It's so much fun, right? These leaves are real. I love it. I'm so glad I got the real leaves and put it in here. But if you're going to do this project for a future thing, I will use fake leaves and glue it down. Just get some realistic leaves, and look at me making a happy face with hearts. And I made those little leaves, the real leaves with heart, made them so much fun right there, you guys. And I put them as ears on the side and the hearts as the eyes in November. So cool, right? That's a cool decor that you can have. And then I have this cool right here. I love it at the bottom. These fake leaves are so pretty. I put glitter on them. You can do whatever you want. Glitter glue. You can also put fake snow on it because it's almost time for snowing time and winter. And this looks so much fun. I put 13 leaves in there at first, and then I added more later. But I'm born on November 13th, and tomorrow is November 13th. So I thought to myself, you know what? Let's get some really cool things and make this little, look how pretty that looks. So wonderful. And I love the changing of the leaves. Like I said earlier, that's the best time is to have that. Look at that pretty. I love it so much. I will glue that down and just have, or tape it if you want to tape it like I said earlier. But have fun making your crafting and your decor. And this is really fun to do, to make some fall decor for this year. And this is me taking some leaves away. Adding hearts again. So much fun. I love this project. It was such a fun project, you guys. I love it. And the colors are so beautiful. And I love making things really wonderful for this time of year. And I think this year is probably the best year I've ever did on YouTube, making really cool videos for you guys. Thank you for watching these videos. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching all my videos throughout my 13 years being on YouTube. 13 years I've been on there. I've been celebrating that for the last couple of days, and I love it so much. And I turned 50 this week, so yay! And also I'm upgrading this YouTube channel. I am working on my small business, so don't worry, you guys. I will be back doing more studio vlogs, more crafting videos. It's gonna be so much fun, and I really am doing it this year. I'm 50. I have to do something to make my business pop. So so this is me right here putting hearts on this. This could be for any time of the year, really, but I love it right now. Look how beautiful these hearts look, and I love the November. I just put them all over the place. And the 13 hearts, if you didn't know that, count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. There are 13 hearts because I have born November 13th, so I love it so much. And I love how it looks on here on this wood with no paint. But you can paint it if you want to. You can do whatever you want to. Add glitter, add fake snow, fake leaves, whatever. You know, whatever to make your, you know, pop. Thank you so much, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. You love this video because I love doing this. It was so much fun. It's a labor of love for me to do these YouTube videos. Hopefully my channel will grow. I was at 219, 221. I'm not 218. I don't know what's going on, but please come back to my channel. Don't subscribe to my channel, please, please, please. I'm just putting lines here to make it really cool, lining them up. So thank you for watching the video. Keep crafting no matter what.